Hello friends, welcome to CAD MANIAC. In this AutoCAD 2023 tutorial, we will learn about a trick to fill the title block quickly and efficiently. And if you want to learn this complete sheet, install CAD MANIAC app, link in the description section. You will get this DWG file along with another municipality approved drawing. So suppose you have to fill this box. Here most of the AutoCAD users will use multi-line text to write it down the text and edit those, but this is not the professional approach of doing this, as it will waste a lot of time. So what we will use is the attribute definition so that it can be filled very quickly and easily. So I'll type ATT and press enter to open the attribute definition window. Here I'll add the attribute tag as name. I'll put the text height as 350 and then press OK, and then just put the attribute definition besides name. So this is done. Now I'll copy the definition to all the other places. Just do it as shown. Then just double click on the definition and change all the tags as shown. Now this is applicable to all the other boxes as well. I'll change this to municipality name. Now I'll convert this title block into a block. So select the complete title block and the boundary line. Type B and press enter. Give it a name. Click on pick point and select this snap. Hit OK. And you can see the edit attribute window pops up. You can edit the attribute definition from here, or otherwise just double click on the title block. Add the values here and it will reflect on the title box. So in this way, editing the title blocks will be super cool. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video and have learned something new today. So that's it for this video guys. Bye bye.